From here, we can do everywhere anything. So I will show you something about share. Everyone see this? Hello? Hello, everyone, did you see this picture? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
did you
Yes,
see the internet of things? Did you see the picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. This is the internet of revolution. For what is it? For the picture only. Before internet, mobile internet, internet of things and gigs and internet mouse, everything like that. Internet revolution. Anytime, why internet? Anytime, anywhere, any person, any business, any device, and any network. You can control anywhere. You can see everywhere what's going on. You can control monitoring everywhere. That's why internet we do. And internet is the what is internet? No one owns this. It's a formula management organization and development before lack of less. And basically, so you want to tell the basically things. You know Alexa. Everyone knows Alexa, right? How the Alexa device they're using the normally. You can controlling from that internet everything or voice control technology. And we Alexa and microprocessor, microcontroller everything. We can connect the internet. Uh, just that everything into the internet. So we can it's automatically it will work. So receiver transmission protocol internet like that only. We need the TPIC, we can say the transmission control and protocol internet protocol. And what is the history of internet? I mean, who made for the IoT before the? I want to share one story to them. How the internet IoT is created before Kevin Aston. He's the only create the internet of things. Before he working for the Coca-Cola brand. We have some before 1 rupee Coca-Cola. We put inside that machine. You can get the bottle. That time we don't have any idea what's going on inside, what the data is going on inside that Coca-Cola machine. So we want to output the data. How many stock is there? We don't know. That the person create the 1999. How many stocks in going? We can manage from that. We can what going on inside. That's why we need connector. This guy only developed the Kevin Armstrong. This guy only create the IoT Internet of Things. Then what is Internet of Things? IoT, the physical object device, vehicles and buildings, other items or embedded electronic software, sensor, network connectivity enable and object connect or exchange data. Example, I need to give you some example, the real-time project. You know, some people, you know, Arduino and everything, you know, right? You guys know Arduino? Arduino and microcontroller, microprocessor. You guys know any idea about it? You know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arduino. Arduino, you can just basically Arduino. One added Arduino is analog digital signal is there. Arduino, the microcontroller. We can basically project everyone do that from Arduino. So before we see the result only from physically we see the result from where how many we can Arduino and one sensor. We connected in the some project we will do some college project or some school project we doing. Okay, basically we do Arduino with ultrasonics. So you can connect some basically physically. We can see the output only there only. In what's going on there only we can see. We did not see wherever we go and what's going on there. Nobody will see. That's why we can use the IoT, Internet of Things. You can connect the IoT. You can Arduino or ESP32 or Raspberry. You can connect that. You can see everywhere whatever the project is going on there. Output, what the output is going on there, and what signals. I mean the car nowadays the car smart device. Where is car going on? We will tracking GPS and everything. How the Googles are working there. If somebody will go there, it's a heavy traffic. Suppose they we will. I'm staying in Chennai, so you're coming from another place like Madurai or something. So how you will see that there is any traffic place like that? Then the GPS will be tracked. What's going on there in Chennai? Some people using the GPS. Some data will be connected to the clouds. So we will see that output to the clouds in there, a map in Madurai. I want to go to Chennai. What's exact map in Chennai? Chennai is traffic or that? From Madurai, I want to go to Chennai. Chennai is the traffic or not? I want to see the internet. So some people in Chennai, they will use that road. That will ID invitation to the Madurai people or anywhere somebody people. I want to go to the location. That's called Internet of Things. You can see everywhere what's going on there, what's vehicles or anywhere is control everything in the IoT. IoT is the most important things. That is the actually we want actually we IoT. I want to tell you something. What is IoT? Industrial revolution. I want to share about the industrial revolution. Before there is a now we are in 4.0. Before there is a 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Before 1999 is a 1.0. Machine system and power and manpower is high. In the 2000, 1919 or 1998 like that. And after 2000, 2004 like that, mass production, assembly line and electrical energy will be high. And manpower it will be low. It will be low. And 3.2 revolution automation will be high and economics and electronics will be high. Manpower is less. And 4.0, now we are in 4.0. Exactly in future, there's no more human or some production or some line we can reduce the people. We can use the IoT. That is IoT controlling automation, everything from here. You don't need to go to office or anything. You can collect the data and charge everything. Cyber, 4.0 means cyber physical system of internet network. So it will be manpower reducing from that. Easy to see the output from internet. You can see everywhere what's going on there, what's going on doing it out, what's the output is going on there. Everything is there. You can use the software and you can connect the network and you can cable or using anything data exchange object or collect the data and exchange anywhere. So IoT is called. So IoT is a single sentence, anything, anywhere. That's called IoT. You can get it's working everywhere you can work. So framework, article, IoT sensors. So you guys from electrical or electronics engineers like that, you want to see that Arduino, like a Raspberry microcontroller to sensor, and we will put the IoT Internet of Things. I will see the output everywhere. My car is where going on is there. It's called IoT. Everywhere you can see. You can nowadays next future is IoT only. You can see everywhere what's going on there. So whole world one net Internet of Things. Everything is the Internet of Things. So it's a machine to machine. That a M to M is we will say that machine to machine understand the language. That's why we want to use that code. What's you guys to know about the coding, what's going on there. Simply the using the C or C++ or Python, everything is code. Some just one thing include the data. That code. So that the API key is there. You want to create the IoT, you will go to the directly the Google like that. Okay, just I'll show you something. And basically I'm telling things. Okay. Do you hear me, everyone? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Do you see this IoT? You seeing that Google? You guys are seeing the IoT? You guys? It's showing? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's a basically I'm telling, okay, this is things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will go to the Google, you will search IoT. This is IoT. It's a open, it's a cloud. It's a the Netflix or Amazon Prime, you need it's if you want to store the data, you need the more space. Okay, that's why we use the cloud. Cloud means open source. Everything you can store. Automatically it will be erased, automatically free, everything. If you'll ask suppose Amazon Prime is out working, everything is a cloud. Google Photos are cloud. So this also in cloud. So some species space only we can use that. You want the extra store or anything, you want to pay. Google Photo is a cloud only. So you want to pay anything like that, you want to pay extra money, they will give some extra GB. Like that only you can cloud. Not everything storage in the server. Server's price is expensive. But cloud is the price is low, but safety is not much. Every people can see that. No privacy is there, like a little bit security like that. But server is very secure and price is very high. Top company, MNC companies are using for the servers. But some people are using the clouds only. Clouds data also fine. It's okay. It's same only. But everyone can see that output. Some people who are giving the ID, the people will see that here. You will go to the IoT and click here and create some account. See this fully. you will see the output like this. IoT things speak. You can see the output data like that. What's going on before, what's going on tomorrow, what's going on current data, everything, weather or monitoring, everything you can use that here. It's a free cloud only. You can create the access one. No, nothing going to do. The procedure for free and create the account. And I will explain how to create that tomorrow and how to establish the project, everything there. How to see the output, everything. How to enable the code inside the API key and write key. What is the API key and write key? Everything explain the coding. Now I just basically I'm telling what is the ThinkSpeak and what is cloud. This is only cloud. It's open source and network and advanced the MATLAB. Okay, it will show like this. That you want to see the ultrasonic sensor output, or you want to show humidity sensor output, you want to see the temperature sensor output, you want to see here. You want to create the template. That's all. No need to not do anything. Just go to ThinkSpeak and proceed. What is that? Proceed. Yeah. Get to the start, and you will create the some ID. That's all. See that small connected and algorithm. Some algorithm is going on, data algorithm. That's all. We can connect that MATLAB, everything. It will show the automatically like that. It's simple line only. I will explain the tomorrow class physically what's going on here. You will show the out. You will get the output like this. You want to show like this type, or you want to do this everything in the template. You want to create the one ID, and you will get inside the one API key. Then only it will enable the code. You will copy the code and paste the code. The code will run to the internet and this IoT. That's all. That's kind of, we can create some matches in IoT. We can do that. So this is IoT app, and there's many IoT app is there. I mean, like example like MQT. It's also IoT messenger. It IoT only messaging something. Okay, that protocol for internet designing for extremely published. There are many IoTs there. Not only this, Amazon IoT and everything. A lot of IoT is there. AWS IoT and IBM IoT and Google Clouds and everything is there. So what Propose is going to do, then you can create like that. But most people using the ThinkSpeak only, ThinkSpeak or MQTT, MQC. You want to control the light from anywhere. You can use the MQTT. You can use that. Okay, you want to on the light before we use Bluetooth. You guys before using the project, you will use some Bluetooth.
What is meant by MQTT?
What, ma'am?
MQTT means?
It's a protocol, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
It's a protocol only, everything. I will explain everything by the tomorrow that I will explain the code, ma'am, everything. Okay. Hear me? Hello?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Is there any other doubt anyone having? Hello?
No, sir, it is clear.
Yeah. Oh, 1 minute. So you will see how can that how this can communication to the sensor to device. The sensor device measure the physical quantity conveyed to the signal which it can be ready to observe any instrument. The sensor வந்து signal கொடுத்தா போதும். இது வந்து observe இதுமே பண்ணும். இப்போ water level sensor, LDR sensor, electricity sensor, or analog sensor, or the current sensor. இப்போ வந்து suppose I will give some example for how to it will work. So this is the sensors. This is only from some what purpose is going on, what I see inside that only working inside there. So you want to use that, cars and everything. There is a lot of sensors in working there, like a reverse camera, like a parking sensor, like a door lock, unlock. The car is many sensor is there. It's a lot of sensor in there in the car. So how could you using that? This is the type of sensor. It's a water level sensor. I mean, you can use the tank. I mean, suppose nowadays the flats and everything they're using the small sensor only, water level sensor. Some people, the management, We can't on off everything like that. You want to use the mobile. I want to see the mobile output. I want to on off everything. I want to directly on off everything from the directly in the mobile. I want to see the value, water level value. So you can't go everything upstairs and you can't see everything. Suppose in the flat is a lot of floors and everything. You can't go the top. You can't see everywhere the what's going on there. That's why we call the IoT. Before the water level will be sensed, there will be off, cut off. Normally we get you can use the tripper and some box and the electrical supply you can use. So nowadays we can use IoT. Suppose you want to stop that everything, you can control from the mobile. You can stop it or on it everywhere. Suppose a smart home, everything you can fix everything the timing. Okay, I want to once coming the house, everything light will be on the timing. That also can timing will be controlled, and I want to on the physically in the mobile windows. You can control smart fan. How they using by using some internet, smart light, everything. Alexa. There's a lot of examples. Is there IoT? IoT is the most important thing in this. Sometime future there is a ruling for everything. You can see the water level sensor. So we need some microcontroller or microprocessor. Directly we can inside the water level. It can't be directly. We can. It's not away. No, it's not working. So you want to fix some microcontroller and sensor and some cables and what's working going on. So directly you can directly want the current sensor. I mean directly you can current sensor. How could it be work? It's not working. So we need some microcontroller. Microcontroller means like Arduino or ESP32. Now, Arduino basically is not Arduino is the base, and ESP32 Nodem C. And advanced microprocessor is the Raspberry Pi, and Raspberry Pi is Jetson Nano. It's a very expensive but it's a many we can use for AI. Jetson Nano, Raspberry Pi. Jetson Nano mean it's advanced. It's mostly used for the graphics and Jetson Nano, NVIDIA Jetson Nano. And Raspberry Pi, everyone can use it nowadays. It's a coding for Python. And Arduino is a C program. And ESP32 is C and C++ and everything. And a Raspberry Pi is a Python. Raspberry Pi, we can use the Python. And Jetson Nano, you can use the Python. Or you want to do some more project about the AI and internet, we can use some deep learning, some about the artificial intelligence, like that. So, classification based on output, analog output, digital output. You can see one sensor mean where is a digital signal, analog signal. Basically, I want to see that what is digital analog mean. Digital means that's the on off. LED mean on off, 0, 1, 0, 1, we can see. 0 mean on off, 0 mean off or on, 1 mean on, like that only, okay. Digital, analog, digital mean there is on off only we can use. Analog, what we use? We can see the value, temperature values. Temperature value means like how much temperature value means 7 point, like at body temperature 99, we can use that, we can use analog. Or we can use the only on off. It's a device is on or off. That only you use the digital. There is a 2 input only, output only, the 2 type. The most important point in sensor only there is 2 output. If you use the Raspberry also, you can see the only 2 output, digital output, analog output. Digital output, you can there is on off. There is a on the device is on or off. We can see that. That analog output, we can see the value. What is the value exact going on the value? I want to see the humidity value, humidity sensor value or temperature value or something. The soil moisturizer, soil moisturizer mean what? மண்ணோட ஈரப்பதம் பார்க்கறது. அந்த மண்ணோட சிவில் இன்ஜினியர் சொல்லி மண்ணோட ஈரப்பதம் பார்ப்பாங்க. வாட்டர் லெவலோட ஈரப்பதம் பார்ப்பாங்க. அதில் வந்து அதில் வந்து டிஜிட்டல் கொடுக்க முடியாது. We can't give the digital. So we can use that time analog. Which one is depend on that? We can use the which one needs. That's one the problem here. So is the T10, 120, 120 only the sensor direction. That's using into 0, 1, 10, 10, 01. Like that only on off on. That's all. So controller. Though I'm saying this only controller. The sensor only control like this. Arduino. This is only Arduino. See this everyone. Already you guys know about the Arduino. Again, I'm telling that this is Arduino. Microcontroller 8051, you can tell like that, everything like that, Arduino. This is the digital. I told you digital. This is one digital analog. You want to suppose you want to do the LED project or anything like that, you can use the digital. Or you want to see the LED project, you can see the analog. That's all. There's a port is here. It's a port is here, and from the sensor, you will get some from the system, you will connect the port and you can do some Arduino IDE. You can download the Arduino IDE and program it, upload it. That's all. That's the project that will be done automatically. So first you can say the controller. Without the controller, we can't code anything. First take the controller. There is a 2-type controller is there. One is Arduino. It's a microcontroller. It's a microprocessor. It's simply tell you what is a microcontroller. It's a single task will do is a multiple task. The price is a little bit low. It's a very expensive. You can use the AI project is the Raspberry Pi. If you want to use the AI project, you can use the Raspberry Pi. At least you want to do the normal project. I want to everything the basic project. You can use the Arduino. And you want to advance, you can use the Jetson Nano. Everyone understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have any doubts? The Arduino Raspberry?
No, sir.
Okay.
Then, would you please implement this using tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm in. Just I want to do. You guys know about the Arduino Raspberry?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you guys did the project?
No, sir. I didn't do
Okay.
any project, but I know theoretically about it.
Yeah, theoretically. Tomorrow class, I told the output. Okay, show the output. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, today we discuss about that what's going on the IoT, how the connected IoT. You guys know about just where you're going to see the output Arduino, that serial port you can see the output. You want to see the from a mobile, you can go to the IoT. Tomorrow class I will show the output there. Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. We did
Yeah.
many projects on this Arduino Uno,
Yeah, okay.
but means we know about the Raspberry Pi and we know the Wi-Fi Uno module also.
Yeah.
But
Good. Yeah, same as
the
only.
primary difference between a Uno and a Raspberry, we are somewhat confused. So when you can implement a project on a Arduino Uno, why
Okay.
we are going for a Raspberry? What is the difference, or what is the advantage that the Raspberry has when compared to the Arduino?
Sir, actually, it's a good question. Raspberry, we can do multiple processors. Okay, AI project. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Right.
But in Arduino, you can do some simple project like that. You can do some not you can do connected for automatically fully connected. You can connect or not. You can't connect the mini project here. But Raspberry, you can advance. You can see the OpenCV project also. You know OpenCV?
Oh,
Computer vision.
no, sir. No, I don't have any idea.
Okay, I will tell the explain. Okay, it's a good question. Actually, it's a good question. Raspberry, you can use some basically project you can use. It's a microcontroller, sir. Okay, basically it's a microcontroller. Example, I want to see the simple programming. Okay, simple task. I will tell you simple. Okay, you guys watch that Endran movie. That Endran movie, that is one chip is there. Microprocessor. Okay, chip is there. That Chitti robot, you can use the chip is there. That Chitti robot use that once chip the program, they will automatically do. That's called AI. That microprocessor, they will automatically do the collect the data. But microcontroller, what we did, that only we can get the output. That's called microcontroller. It's to the single, it's not do the multiprocessor. It do the single processor only. But Raspberry it do the multiprocessor. You can do the AI project. You can do the OpenCV processor. You can do the Wi-Fi project. Once you're going to upgrade your project, everything, you can go to the Raspberry. Or it's a little bit task here in the Arduino. You can't do the multiple processor like that. You can go for advancement. You can do here. Or once the microcontroller, once the robot will be sent, it will go direction. It will come automatically. I mean, example giving that is listen that. I will sending the microcontroller robot, one robot, go directly, just walk and come. It going directly walking and coming. That's all. The job is done. But I send the microprocessor, one chip. I will insert. I will send the data, go and walk around the 1 kilometer. Come. It will go and around the walking 1 kilometer and turn back and coming. It's collecting the whole data. What's going on there? What I'm walking there? What distance I'm walking there? Everything collecting and giving the data. That's called the microprocessor. Collecting the data. Everything you can see everywhere. That's why we're using the microprocessor. That's a chip. That's why its price is a little bit high. You understand, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear. One
yeah.
more query.
Yeah.
The thing is, whatever the environment that is that we are using to program this board is IDE, right? For the
Right.
Arduino, no? Is
Yeah,
it the
right.
same environment for the Raspberry also?
No, sir. It's a very different, sir. It's you no need to any CPU, sir. Just monitor is enough. It's a mini CPU.
Okay.
So you need the monitor, and we can use the. I'll show you tomorrow. We can use the monitor.
Okay.
It's a different code. It's a Python.
Okay.
You no need to don't create any ID. Directly that CPU. You can see the one CPU in the just you need one monitor. No need to CPU.
And
It's a mini
sorry to disturb you.
Oh, no,
Sorry
no,
to
no. Yeah,
yeah.
sir. Actually, you
Yeah,
can, whatever doubt you will ask me. That's my
yeah.
job, sir. Clearly. Okay.
One more thing is, as you coded that your Raspberry is going to be a Python programming.
Yeah, yeah.
Can't I do Python program to program my Arduino board?
Oh, no, sir. It's not possible in Arduino board. Arduino only C program only, sir.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. You have any doubt, you can ask me, sir. Because that's why I'm here. Okay. What is the difference between Raspberry and Arduino? You can understand. It's a mini computer. Is a Raspberry is a mini computer. That's all. You don't need any CPU. You just need a monitor is enough. You can do watch videos and watch YouTube. Everything is from here only. It's a mini computer. Everyone call that mini computer Raspberry. That's why you can understand. If somebody tells me it's a mini computer Raspberry, there's a many port is digital. It's a pins is there, and it's fully for digital only, not analog. But you want to convert analog, you want to use some IC. Some you can create physically. Some create output. So this is application. This is IoT. You can see the IoT application is output smart home IoT like that. You will see like this. Once you go to IoT, you will see like this. Output. What's going on there? Suppose some sensor output is going up and down. What's going on here? Statics, everything you can see the output. Everything from anywhere you can see. From another country also, some people how the I mean example giving in that neighbor guy is from foreign country. That how he connected on off every time the motor controlling everything. That's IoT. You can pair internet to the one internet connection. You can control everywhere, everywhere. Everything, anything you can control. You can see anywhere. That's called IoT. It's a big data also will come, but big data is a different part. It's the character of the big data. It's a very different. It's a data quality, data speed, data type. Everything is so different. Big data, we don't need to know that, but it's a big compliment. So that's what IoT. Current status in future prediction of IoT. Before there is the 2023 is the 6 connected device 500. After that, mobile will become everything going internet to 12.5 billion people and 25 billion and 15 billion. Everything the connect everyone. By the 2020 year, there is a lot of connected devices, the people on the earth. The GPS tracking, okay, the series, the people are seeing reviews and everything. Everything is the IoT connected only. So I will show you tomorrow classes and physically what's going on IoT. So this is called IoT, Internet of Things. You can control anywhere, everywhere, whatever you want to see, you can see. Is a Kevin Aston is only create the IoT. You want to see the data. What's going on inside the data, collection of data, you can see everywhere. So anytime, anywhere, any person, any business, any device, any network. So this is a peak revolution. Mobile internet and mobile of things and the internet of mass, Greeks and everything. Before like that only. Cave area, now is a mobile everything. 2012 from this revolution better. Nowadays, after that, automation only all over the ruling there. I think so. It's a transmission and a data transfer and a collection data. Everything is like that only. So this is picture only things only. You can big data reporting, customer, people, and application data analysis. Everything will be everything will come to the IoT. Clouds and server. What is the difference mean? Cloud is a cloud server. Server is a very expensive little bit. There is a big MNC that will be used that and very secure and very using regularly. The people are company people using that only. But cloud is open source. Google Photos and Netflix and Amazon. They're not storing everything. That is open cloud. They will create some ID to you. You can go to that and create the. You will see log in the ID. You will see the output. That's the same IoT. You're going to do that in Google. Also same that I show you one in Pixbit. Same thing only. I give you one ID. You create one account, and you will see the output. Everywhere you can see. You can go to somewhere also. You can see the output. Now we go to what is you guys understand what is IoT. Next we have to go to the AI. So you guys know about any idea about AI? So you can explain me? Anybody? Hello? Hello?
AI means artificial intelligence, sir.
Okay. Any idea? Any other idea? Can you tell me? And tell me what is AI? Exactly, anybody? It's artificial intelligence. Anybody idea about AI? What is AI?
So it is artificial intelligence.
Okay, next.
It thinks on its own. It tries to think on its own, sir.
Good. Yeah, that's a good line. Next, any idea?
It mimics human intelligence.
Okay,
Controlling the things without human interference.
that's right. It's a many in artificial intelligence. So listen, everyone, you want to note, some folks also note that. Okay, I'll next. Okay, it's not here. PPT is not here exactly. You can everywhere see simply they will give the PPT. You can't get the PPT directly. First, you want to know about the AI. What is AI? AI, it's a set of technology that enable the computer performance variety of advanced function, include the ability and understand and translate spoken the written language. It will be understand ability for understand include the translate spoken the written language. I mean, you guys, one guy, people are told you can think like a human, think like a speak. How could you think like a speak and think like a human? You guys are know. You know, ChatGPT also it will answer everything. There is a many thing in there. AI is a circle. Okay, just I told you the Google. Just I show you in Google. You guys see? Uh, you guys see this artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning? Hello, hello. Yeah, you guys see this artificial machine learning and deep learning? Hello.
Sir, repeat the question, please.
You see this photo picture? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning picture?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Artificial intelligence, you can see the simply you will see the artificial intelligence. What is AI mean artificial intelligence figure? But inside, this is four inside this. This is called the AI. AI is not a one part, it's a mini part like a C. Machine learning, deep learning, and data science. You know, the people are studying the data science and machine learning ML. And inside the deep learning. And the inside the deep learning, there's the one other one also is that JAM, JAM. The people also it's only last 2 years only the people are using the JAM. It's also only that artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence not is a one part, it's a many part is here. Machine learning, ML, and deep learning, and data science. Data science is what they will do exactly. The collection of the data, historical data. Everything collection we predict that. That's why data scientist job. We want to go, I mean, this time we are raining mean they use the data science. Last 10 years, they take the report, everything we can collect, collection data. There's a one collection of data is going. And another side that we see what's going on this date, collection data. Then we see the output. That's one data. That's why also machine learning also doing the same thing, only they're doing the machine learning. But deep learning is very different. Okay, we want to know first artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Everyone know this. Suppose you want to know this, also know this. What is artificial intelligence means? It's a set of technology that enable the computer performance and a variety of advanced function include the ability to understand and translate the spoken written language. It's like that. Okay, translate the written, the spoken language. And what is purpose of AI? AI is a machine and display the human capacity and such a reason learning, planning, and creating. Why we using the AI? I mean, AI is a machine display for human capacity. Human capacity is same as. Okay, அதே தான் பண்ணு அந்த சேமஸ் பண்ணு அண்ட் ரீசன் லேர்னிங் பிளானிங் அண்ட் கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி கிரியேட் பண்ணு லேர்னும் பண்ணு பிளானிங்கும் பண்ணு கிரியேட்டிவ் லைக் ஹியூமன் திங்க் லைக் ஹியூமன் பட் ஆனா இதுக்கெல்லாம் சிம்பிள் மிஷின் லேர்னிங் டீப் லேர்னிங் எவ்ரி திங் இன்சைட் தியர் everyone what is AI mean it's not about the AI it's a many thing processes machine learning deep learning and data science we don't need a data science and GSM is the one is there but it's a showing I will talk about this you can confuse like that. First, we are discuss about this three things. Okay. AI means that I told you what is purpose of using AI mean AI ability of the machine display the human capacity such a reason learning and planning and create. and technically system and the precisely and problem achieve the specific goal. I mean, you can set some goal, you search into the human, what the human are thinking, what the human are doing, what the research are doing. Automatically, that will be predict. Okay, automatically collect the data and predict. That's called AI. So that is what next we want to see the AI. What is this? Is the AI layer. Somebody will say, what is the AI layer? You can draw like this. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and this three is enough. They will show how the three is going on. And what is ML? Anybody idea about the machine learning? No?
It is a mathematical analysis part, sir.
Okay, next. Yeah, it's a fully algorithm. You're right. Then how could you see the algorithm? What classification you use? There is a many types of algorithms. There is, about any idea about algorithm? So
Sir,
what's
algorithm
algorithm?
for machine learning, sir?
Yeah, algorithm in machine learning. There's a many types of algorithm.
Supervised, unsupervised.
Yeah, that's right. What is supervised? Do you have any idea about supervised?
We have labeled the data for inputs, sir.
Yeah, that's right.
We
Yeah,
can make a training with that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, machine learning, it's nothing that supervised, unsupervised, and recognized and reinforcement. Something also is there. And ensemble learning. There is a four type: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement and learning. And ensemble learning. There is a four type is there. ML. ML means nothing. I want to say simply, I'm saying there is algorithm, structure of period output, and reverse and pattern of the data. The machine learning, what we do, everyone Tamil, right? You guys are Tamil only, right? You from Tamil Nadu, right?
No, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
no.
from Andhra, from Telangana.
Oh, okay. Then I will teach you in English. Okay, no problem. So, firstly, understand is algorithm, right? Is algorithm supervised, and there is a four type in ML. ML means there is a one picture. I want to say basically, I'm telling how they predict, how the artificial scientists predict. Okay, there is a data algorithm. Once a picture, okay, I want to see the cat. Okay, cat picture. How the data we want to take the 100 picture, then only you find the cat. That's the data. If you're giving the one data, then it will show the output. Algorithm. That pattern will be data that's showing the data. That how could I say example mean how could I say example? It's a collection of data, sir. It's algorithm. It's a learn from the structure of data and try the output, discover the pattern of data. What is the data showing? Mean that you will take the 100 photo of cat, it will show you the cat. What's going on? Supervised, unsupervised, the many pattern is there, types is there in ML. As a classification and logical recursion and discussion, random forest, and neural network. Neural network. Many things is a machine learning. Machine learning means there's a collection of data. The data, the collection data, that's showing the output. It's called machine learning. There's a lot of algorithm is there. There's a four type of algorithm is there. Supervised and unsupervised, and what is that? Ensemble learning and reinforcement learning. There's a many types there. So you guys know this unsupervised. There's a one part unsupervised. What is unsupervised? You note this point. The type. You can use this is unsupervised learning. There's a many titles there. Many titles we can use where you want to use the right. Is a forest regression and neutral and support vectorization and everything is there. Where you want to use, you can use the titles. Okay, this is the basic only I'm telling. Tomorrow only I will show the output. So you can guys, you want to note? Not visible. You can use it. Supervised learning.
I think I'm displaying only layers of IoT.
It's playing IoT only?
Layers of IoT.
Oh, okay. Just 1 minute.
Slide is not changing, sir.
Oh, wait. 1
Sir,
minute,
it shows only layers of IoT, sir.
Yeah, wait. I'll change it, man. Just wait.
Before that, AI picture was also not visible.
Oh,
sir.
so before AI picture also not visible.
Yes, sir.
For long, it
Okay.
has been only layers of IoT.
Okay, ma'am. You guys understand what is IoT and AI?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 minute. I will connect. What this issue is there? Wait. I will share that. How do you see it?
No.
No, sir.
Now? Now?
Yes.
Now only you see it.
Yeah,
Now
it
only
is
you see.
showing the layers.
Yes,
Now
sir.
only you see. Now only you see the picture.
Yes, sir.
Now it
Okay,
is
okay.
deep learning on display.
Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science.
Only okay. This is the structure. Okay. Before also I'm saying this is the structure. Okay. Everyone see this? Note this
Yes, sir.
diagram also. It's very useful. Not only artificial intelligence.
sir.
Not only artificial intelligence. Okay. There is a machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Data science we don't need. Okay. We don't need the data science. It's a data science with what they do mean the collection of history. That collection of the rain. Next year, what this date, what is going on, rain or what, that the floods are coming or not. Then everything is a collection of data and showing the output. That's a data science. But we don't need the data science. That you don't need to diagram this data science. You diagram this only. This is a more three-part: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. But deep learning is the most important thing. It automatically it will predict. Okay, machine learning we want to teach that and train that. Okay, machine learning we can do the algorithm and structure.
Sir?
We can see. Tell me.
Sir, we are
Yeah.
training the machine using machine learning or deep learning, sir?
Machine learning, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Deep learning, you don't need to learn, ma'am. It will be automatically input layer and the hidden layer, everything will be output. That's a neural network. You understand?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Machine learning, you want to teach that. Okay, that only you predict. Okay, I mean, I want to give you some example. If you go in the shopping, okay, shopping, that will scanner will be that scanner will be scanning the price. That's called the showing the price. Or will we predict this price is this price, this only price. Okay, we will fix the price. That I mean that urga or something that achi powder or anything. We can scan it. This is only price. That's called machine learning. That photo mean we can use the cat. Cat mean this photo is cat. But deep learning, there is a lot of layer. Okay, you see the layer. Hello.
Sir. Yes,
You will
sir.
see the layer. Deeply see this layer. Not this.
Yeah.
This is layer. Okay, neural network. A deep learning is 100% neural network. It's advanced. It's a C. The most important thing in AI is the deep learning. It's
Sir, is it a
automatically
perceptron based?
what?
Perceptron based.
It's algorithm based on network, ma'am. Minimum like a human brain, Deep learning.
Sir, neural network means perceptron related algorithms, isn't it, sir?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. It's like a same algorithm. You're right only. Okay, neural network. I want to deep learning. What is the machine learning? What is the difference between deep learning? That's the same difference. Even if you're seeing the cat picture, you don't need to cat picture anything. It automatically show the output. Cat automatically see. Is a suppose we're going to market, the price will be increased. It automatically the deep learning will be automatically they predict the price. This price only this season, this price only this. So automatically that will be predict. That's called deep learning. Deep learning is a very advanced system. It is very, I mean, a lot of input playing that. That is the neural network and layer and nodes, everything inside that. If you're giving the example, there is a one cat photo. Example, I want to give you one cat photo is here. Okay, this example, one cat photo is here. That cat photo, it's many cat photo is going on inside the layer, neural. That will be weight and input, everything. There is a one weight is there, weight and everything. After the calculate here, or what's going on, after it's showing automatically, we don't need to any training or anything automatically. Once the picture is going on here, the automatically the output will be shown. Then deep learning, the automatically it will work. That's called deep learning. Deep learning is many layers is there. Data loading and data, hidden data and output layer, everything is there. You'll see the structure. Yeah, level 1 is an input. Level 2 is the hidden layers. Hidden layers means a lot of layers is there. Neural network. Example, neural network. You guys, brain is neural network. There's a lot of neural is there. How will you be using the hand, everything? Because the brain giving the instruction. We can see directly, we can use the directly. We want to put the hold his hand down. Everything you want to go down, everything inside because the neural network, everything inside the brain. Same as brain. There is a many neural network in the deep learning. The deep learning like a C. It's a neural network, everything like a network. It's a many layer is there. You want to give the input is there. I want to see the only cat picture or any apple or everything. There is a mini like 1,000 picture will be grow inside there. It will everything like weight and calculation here and coming output there. There is a 4 output or 2 output will coming there inside. It will be show output. There is a cat or food like that. Neural network is a big data. It's a many tasks is there. See this picture. You guys see this picture? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, there's a human brain only. It's an advanced system, neural deep learning. It's a deep learning only, mostly for artificial intelligence. We can use the deep learning only. It's the brain of a human, like that. Artificial intelligence, most of using the deep learning only. So, see this picture. Input layer, hidden layer. You can't see the hidden layer. You can see the brain giving the input layer, the output layer. The imagine or turnover anything, astro or something. The neural network. Deep learning is a neural network. Note this point. Deep learning is an algorithm based on highly complex neural network that mimics like the human brain work the pattern large unstructured data set. Okay. If anybody asking what is deep learning, is algorithm based on like working like a human. The same mini like a working like a human. That's a deep learning. It's work like a same like a human only. There's many type of there. It's the same. Or could I say? There are also many sufficient and insufficient. Is many things is there. Wait, what is the? I will show this. You see the picture? Hello.
Yes, sir.
In deep learning, supervised, unsupervised, you guys know that, right? What is supervised, unsupervised? Supervised means we can teach. Supervised means we can teach photos. I mean, algorithm. There's a lot of multiplication algorithm. We can see the picture. This is cat. We want to show the photo like a many angle. We want to take the photo. This is cat. Protect. But in deep learning, we don't need to take any photos that you want to. It automatically will be protect. Deep learning. There is a many. That's called a human. Think like a human, that work like a human. The deep learning. We want to see the output. You send the photos, automatically it will show the cat. So this is the types of deep learning. Know this point, everyone. Know this, everyone. Convolution neural network and long-term network and long and short memory network is what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, we can use this type only algorithm. Self-organization map. Or map only automatically we use the maps. So you will use this. So one algorithm is there. Many type is there in the deep learning. There is same like a machine learning. We can use that same. Many type is there. You guys noting?
Screen is not changing, sir.
Oh, again, sorry. Yeah, right. Now?
Yes.
Okay, note this. It's the most important point. That deep learning, the many you guys are say that machine learning is a lot of algorithm, lot of types, supervised, unsupervised, and this is also one of the most time important. There is a template is there. This template also using that radial based function and multiplication and self-organization map, and this is the most important point. And long and short template types. We can use the Chat GPT. Chat GPT, how you think like a human? Same this only. The collection of data and showing the output like the same. The large term network, we can use that. You guys know that? Done?
Doing, sir.
Yeah, once you finish, you tell me that.
Noted, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. This is the example. You guys see the picture?
Yes.
This is same example. Okay, you want to do the ML, you want to teach them photo. This is cat, this is boy, this is this is you want to do the ML machine learning. You use this is boy and this is dog and this is girl and this is dog. You want to use that. But machine learning, deep learning, we don't need anything. You want to show the photo, they will show the output. That's all. But inside that, it's our input, this is output. But inside hidden layer is a many layer, is like a thousand, like a many layer inside that. It will be work. It will be a picture. It will spread the picture, everything. The one picture mean, this is a boy picture mean, this is divided by the 24 or 28 or 32, everything. It's a predicted, I separate the picture. And it will go to the hidden layer, first layer, and second layer, and third layer. And it will become an output. Boy, this is boy. If the girl picture is there, input layer girl picture is going, and hidden layer. One is first layer is the picture is spreading, and second one is the weight, and everything calculate the weight and input something program running the backside. And third output is the girl. This is called the deep learning. Simply, I'm telling you what is deep learning. Once is picture is I want output boy and girl. Simply they're giving the boy and girl. That's all. We no need to anything the train or anything. They're directly giving the output. So you guys understand? Yeah, any other doubt? Yeah. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah, yeah. What is you guys now understood what is IoT?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and what is the machine learning? What is artificial intelligence? Everything you can understand just basic talk. And tomorrow class 2 o'clock, okay?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow class 2 o'clock. Tomorrow you will see the project IoT. Tomorrow I can see the what kind of IoT you want to see. You want to see the ultrasonic IoT or you want to see the light on off form? Which kind of you want to see? I will show that.
Oh, once again, tell me, sir.
Which kind of output you want to see in IoT? I will show the project tomorrow. Okay, I got it. I will show you tomorrow how could running the IoT from the mobile, and from here you can see everywhere. You can watch from IoT. Tomorrow class IoT. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's okay. Fine. Everything. You have any doubt? You guys have?
No, sir.
Okay. You guys understand what is the AI and what is IoT? What is ML?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then okay. Then classes 2, and 3 is almost over. So tomorrow shall we join?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, everyone. Then okay. Fine. Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you all for coming. Tomorrow it's I
Okay,
will show
sir.
you. I will show you physically. Today I just teach you about the basic top of what is ML and what is deep learning, what is artificial intelligence, and what is IoT. This is the basic common thing, and artificial intelligence is the most important thing, operating version. So you must think about. Oh wait, anybody asking? Useful session. Okay. Thank you, and tell me your review for honesty. Okay, thank you guys. And tomorrow I will show you
Yes, sir.
the or tomorrow I'm physically
So
I'm showing output.
can you show the sensors lively, sir?
Yeah, I will show the library. Yeah, you have any doubt? Tomorrow you will clear, man.
Okay, sir.
I will show you how the connected sensor will connect. I will see the output in IoT and how the lighters on off. Okay.
Only on Arduino board, sir.
Arduino and ESP and after that Raspberry.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Tomorrow I will teach you about the ESP and Arduino, and the third time I will teach you Arduino, actually Raspberry. After we go AA also, we can go Raspberry one day. You don't need to the AA, we can use the Arduino. 100% we can go to AA, we can go to the Raspberry one day.
Okay.
Okay, and we can see you tomorrow. And thank you all, everyone coming, and tell me, suggest your review. Okay, on the reviews. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you.